Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, we will learn that how to design the solar system. So here you can see the structure, here the circle, a multiple circle where you can see the different planet, and in the middle point is a sun, and others 9 planet is rotating around the sun. And here the code is like first, here you can see this is HTML and it's a body, and here you can see inside the body the radial gradient, and it's a solar system and solar system after. So every particular section or planet has two different class, CSS class. One is a static class, another is dynamic, which is the after effect. So here you can see the box shadow. You can use the random effect with the box shadow. Some 3 to 4 line you need to copy and paste again and again, and you will get the asteroid effect, where you can see there are so many asteroids is rotating around the Saturn and also inside the solar system. So that tiny effects has been covered by this repeated position or location. Here you will just get the pixel size and the position. Here you can see every particular dot has a color and also the pixel size. So after that you can see here, when I have cut down the longest code, which is a box shadow, you can see after eliminate that code, the asteroid effects has been gone. So you can put the asteroids effect, otherwise you can neglect this one also. So let's see again what happened. Here also you can see our asteroid circle inside the planet. So here after the things, here's the box shadow, the asteroid belt before. So after that you can see here the solar system division and solar system division not and sun. So in this code, here I have just show you the example how to create the box shadow. So I'm trying to set an example for this longer box shadow, which is nothing but a asteroid belt effect or asteroid effects inside the screen. So see here the asteroid effect is not working. So I hope you can just neglect this one, and when you cover all the lines of code, you can just put it as your wish, and you can search also the asteroid effects box shadow inside the website, and you will get this code. This is the part of solar system. After that, here you can see the inside the lower case, the sun background is radial gradient. Here you can see the height, width, margin top, margin left. This is the position, and here's the box shadow, where the sun circle you will get some, or you can see some shadow effect. After that, the Mercury and Mercury before. So inside the HTML CSS program, when you are calling the class, this is identification or the design effect for the CSS. When you are calling the class name, and you can change the color and font, and you can resize the structure that will call by the division inside the class where the HTML code is belonging to, and after that you will get these types of effect with the help of CSS. And sometimes if we do not use, or if we don't want to use the CSS, that time we need to focus on the JavaScript code also. Here also you can see the Mercury before and Venus. So here Venus and Venus before, Earth and Earth before. Every particular planet class has two separate functions inside the CSS. One is static, another is dynamic. So here you can see the Earth after, means here also the moon rotating system is available, so that's why here the Earth after also occurred. Here you can see Mars and Mars before, there is no subplanet, so that's why here only Mars and Mars before, there is no after effect. Jupiter and Jupiter before. Inside this animation, here one thing you cannot assume, like the function is calling again and again, and the functionality is working continuously when you are not close the website or close the tab. Still it's just calling repeatedly, and the rotation you will get continuously. And here you can see the Saturn and Saturn after, Saturn before, Saturn after, because here Saturn has a asteroid belt, that's why here's the after effect is required. Now come to Uranus and Uranus before. So this way we have to cover 9 different planets and also the solar system, and also you need to cover the asteroid belt. So here after you can see the asteroid belt is working also with the help of the box shadow. And after that, the same case, if you don't want to use this belt, you can neglect this one and just copy rest of the code. And after that you need to add this box shadow which is available inside the website. You can just copy and paste here. So here you can see after the Pluto function, here's the keyframe where the transform rotation 0 degree to minus 360 degree, which is like anti-clockwise rotation. So here you can see the anti-clockwise rotation. If I use the 360 degree positive, then it will clockwise rotation. See, now it's a clockwise rotation. So let's see what happened after the things. Here we need to see some division class or div class. Here you can see the 9 planet and asteroid belt, sun and 9 planets total. The 11 function has been called inside the division inside the HTML tag, and this is the code. I hope this video will be helpful for you and there is no more confusion about this code. Just neglect the asteroid belt shadow box, and rest of the code you can copy easily, and after that you need to add this asteroid belt effect. So goodbye for now. I hope this video will be helpful, and if you need to know more about these types of code, just focus on this channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for the updated information, and you will be get notified when I will upload the new videos. Goodbye for now.